And here we are at Van Wert Carts and More, 883 North Washington Street here in Van Wert, Ohio, 419-238-2732. Looking at this awesome looking 2020 Cushman hauler 1200X EFI. Fuel injected Cushman hauler. Just an awesome buggy. It does have the orange hood on it. With the black seat and the black dump bed. Again, it is a 2020 fuel injected. Does have the 12-inch HD black and silver wheels coupled with the 23 by 10.5 by 12 Backlash on off-road tires. Does have a front brush guard on it, headlights on it. Just an awesome looking cart. Has your headlight switch here and horn switch here on the front dash. Up underneath here you have your tank, your gas, your motor, and then your dump bed back here. There's a lever right down here on the side. You just flip that and that lifts your dump bed up. And then your tailgate, pop that one off, pop that one off, and now you can dump whatever you have in the bed back out, pop it back on, pop this one on, and then put your bed down, and voila, there you go. So very cool cart. It's a gorgeous looking thing. Get out here, 883 North Washington Street here in Van Wert, Ohio, and pick this baby up. It just hit the lot today, so get out here. Give us a call, 419-238-2732. Thank you very much for watching. Look forward to seeing you, and have a great day.